Hello guys, welcome to another Python tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to see one of the data storing methods. They have like Python has like variety of data storing methods like sets, lists, and tuples. So in this one, we see sets. So what's sets? We all studied like sets in our like school, like Venn diagram, how do you solve the union, intersection, difference. That's what these sets are all about. So these sets are quite useful when you want to do like membership testing operations, removing if you have like a few lists and if you want to remove the duplicates from the list, and then you could use sets. But what you can't do in sets like sequence related tasks using sets such as indexing or slicing. You can't do them in sets. So you must be bit like shrewd, like you have to know like what is the application, and then you have to choose, you have to store your data in that particular kind of data structure, data storing method. So if your application is to perform all those indexing, slicing, and all those, then you better go for lists. If you want to do like uh, membership testing or to remove duplicates, then you can choose sets. Okay, let's start writing some code so that we can understand what's sets. So this is how it has to start. From sets module, we have to import the class called set. From sets, import uppercase yes set. So from this module, we are importing this class called set. Now we can go ahead and start defining sets. So let's say set red, blue, green, black. Okay, close this one. This is set A. Then set B. Set black, green. Let's make it exact same. Green, yellow. What is that? Okay. Orange. Set B equals set combination square bracket. Um, yeah. No, we already did the set B. So let's do some operation with this set operation with these above defined sets. Let's do an operation. Set A dot, we call this method union um, set B. So it's gonna combine set A and set B. So this C. Then set A B C D D. Okay, it's called X. Um, let's make this one X. Set X Y. So union, intersection, and difference. Set A inter S A C T I intersection set B set z equals set a, d, I, f, f, e, r, c difference set b. B done, yes. Okay, so what this is going to do, it's going to just combine A and B and store it on set X. So the set A and set B. So it's going to like take the common terms between set A and set B, and then it's going to like store it on set Y. So let's solve it. So now what's the common term? So black, black, green, green. So these two will be stored in set Y, and set Z. It's going to take the difference. You have red, blue, green, black. So green, black. So it has to print out yellow and orange. So let's go ahead and print them out. Print. So we have to give it a format. Curly brace 0 and give a space 1. Give a space 2. Let me define from format format IM18. So this is how I want this to be. Copy, paste, paste, paste. Z, Y. So what is this all about? So it's gonna like print the first one in the format array, or like format. So this one corresponds to this one as slash and a space. So it's gonna print the next one in the next line. This one corresponds to this one, and this one corresponds to this one. So set X has to print all, each and every single color in this set 1 and set B. Expect for green. It's gonna print everything once, all these colors once, and then set Y. It's gonna print the common, so black and green, and set Z is gonna print the difference, yellow and orange. So let's save this and execute. Black and green, it printed all the colors once, and this thing we got it wrong. So it's gonna take this one and subtract this one. You have red, blue, green, black, and subtract this one. So black, black gone, green, green gone. Not these two. These two are the leftovers. So it's gonna print this one out. So if you do like the reverse, so it's gonna print yellow and orange. Uh, Save and F5. So it's printed orange and yellow. So this and that like we have another methods in this set class. So let's go ahead and perform them from their both different sets. Set A is superset superset of set Y. So this is gonna return a boolean. Print yes. A is superset of Y. What's a superset? So A is a huge set, and inside that Y is a small portion. All the elements in Y are present in all the elements. I mean, all the elements in Y are present in A2. So that's what it means. Save this and print. Yes, A is a superset of Y. So that condition is true, so it's printed out. Mm, it's a subset of X. Let's do some subsetting. So set A is subset X. Save this. Yes, A is subset of X. What does this mean? So all the elements in A are present in set X. That's what it simply means. So all these are present in X because you made union. So you just combine them both. So obviously this thing will be true, and then it's gonna print this statement out. Yes, A is a subset of X. Let's do something else with this one. Okay, before checking this statement, let's say we're going to add something to set A dot add. Let's add one more color. Purple. Purple. So, so we are adding one more color to this one, and what does it make this set A? Set A is no more subset of X because in order for this condition to be true, all the elements in set A should present in set X, which is true, which was true, which will be true till this one gets executed. Once this is executed, so it's no more true because set X doesn't have purple color. So it's not going to print this one. Save and execute. So it's not going to print this one. Sorry, this one. So that's all with sets. If you guys have any doubts with sets in Python, just leave a comment below. I'll try to answer them. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Like, comment, and subscribe. And bye for now.